Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today I'm going to show you guys this quick recipe I found on the internet. Well, it's not really quick, but first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix your sugar, water, and yeast in a bowl. It's about 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 2 1/4 cups of warm water, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This helps it rise faster. Once you have that all done, this is what it should look like, and then you're going to cover that for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to add your flour, which is 4 cups, and you're going to mix that in with your salt, which is a teaspoon of salt. You're going to start to mix in your wet ingredients now, and then with your stand blender you're going to mix this for about a few seconds, just until the dough is thicker than pancake batter. And you're going to cover this for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to turn on your stand mixer and mix it at about medium for about 6 minutes. And then after that you're going to switch from your paddle to your hook. This will knead it for an additional 6 minutes. As you see here, I'm just going to let it turn and turn and turn for about 6 minutes. I used it on like speed number 3 or 4. And once that's done, you are going to grease a bowl and pour your dough in it. Cover it with a towel or with a plastic wrap for about 2 hours. This is going to allow your dough to rise. It should about double in size. And while that's doing that, you're going to prepare a cookie sheet with parchment paper, dust it with flour. And as you can see here, that's my reusable parchment paper made out of silicone I got from Target. And you're going to pour the dough onto there. Using a bench scraper or with wet hands, you're going to separate your dough into 2 pieces. And then you are going to form 2 flat logs, as you're going to see in the next clip. And then you're going to just dust it with some more flour on top. Then you're going to just let this chill out for another hour so it can rise, but put it somewhere warm. I have it in my oven that was warmed up, and then I turned it off for a few minutes. And then once that's done, you can bake it at 500. I baked it on the upper rack, which was a mistake, so I kind of burnt the top of the bread a little bit, but as you can see, it's still very soft. Got cooked too high on the rack, so I suggest you cook it on a lower rack. I burnt the top, but the bread does taste delicious. Perfect ciabatta. You can see all the little air holes. It is super soft. It's not crunchy whatsoever. Makes 2 whole loaves, as you can see. I mean, this is just, it's delicious bread, even with the top burnt. The bread tastes amazing. Give it a try. It is a long process, about 4 hours total, but if you love ciabatta, totally worth it.